Hey, friend. So in 2025, we talked a lot about how great affiliate marketing is, how it can be an answer to your prayers. The great thing about it, right, is that you can partner with an existing brand or company that's well established, and you don't have to create the product. You don't have to bill or invoice clients or customers. You don't have to ship things out. It's very, very enticing whether you have a crazy, chaotic, beautiful family life, whether you're working a job or two or multiple, jobs, whatever that looks like. And so if you're looking at, actually put a number one in the comments if you are currently doing affiliate marketing in any capacity. And I want you to put a number two for me if that's something that you're really looking to dive into and learn more about in 2026 as an option, right, to increase your income streams. Hey there, beautiful human. Welcome to Life by Design, the show where strategy meets sanity and family-focused entrepreneurs learn how to build profit without burning out. I'm your host, Kim Ward, digital marketing strategist, coffee enthusiast, and proud Pinterest nerd. Here to help you grow your income, your impact, and maybe even your peace of mind. If you're ready to trade overwhelm for clarity, hustle for harmony, and start creating a business that actually fits your life instead of the other way around, you're in the right place. Grab your notebook or, hey, your favorite cozy drink. Let's dive into today's episode because around here, we believe success shouldn't cost you your sanity or your Saturday. So the cool thing is many people don't realize yet that you can scroll TikTok and they're going to tell you what you need to do to make $20,000 a month. And I know tons of creators, affiliate marketers on TikTok who are in the TikTok shop arena. And these people are live streaming for 3 to 4 hours a day, every day. That's not freedom. That's not freedom at all. So when I'm talking about affiliate marketing, you get to partner with companies, brands, even services. Many of you don't even realize are out there. And I'm going to give you some cool websites that you can go to and learn more about. But if you've ever flown, for example, Southwest Airlines, right? They've got the funniest people working for them. If you've ever flown Southwest, you know what I'm talking about. But there's a website called impact.com. You can go to Impact and you can see thousands and thousands of brands and companies that you can partner with. And Southwest happens to be one of them. So if you are into travel, right, you could absolutely share your Southwest affiliate link. And then when people click your link, and they book their travel with Southwest Airlines, you would earn a percentage of that sale. These companies realized that it is more cost effective and more conducive to partner with micro influencers like you and I to be able to have us put our stamp and seal of approval and share what we love about these products, brands, and services. And to them, it's more cost effective than traditional advertising. Makes sense, right? What I'm getting at is we understand what's amazing and cool and fun about affiliate marketing, but there's many ways you can do it. And this is where I kind of want you thinking this year. And these conversations are available long-term on my YouTube channel and absolutely on the blog, lifebydesignsolutions.com. And of course, on the podcast, the Life by Design podcast, which you can find on any major, Apple, Spotify, iHeartRadio, all the big channels. What I want you to do is consider what are the services, brands, products, companies that I love, that I adore, that I want to partner with. And some of them you might not even be aware are available to you. So I want to challenge you, if you are someone who put a number 2 in the comments, like, I'm looking into affiliate marketing. That's a goal of mine this year. Go to the retailer or the company website that you want to potentially partner with. Walmart.com. It's a great option. How many people do you know that shop at Walmart? And you probably weren't aware that you could partner with Walmart. You could share their products and you earn commission when the people you refer through your link shop at Walmart. Same thing with Amazon. Same thing with Tractor Supply, Home Depot. The Home Shopping Network even has an affiliate partnership. Crazy, right? So this is the year that we put things into action. And there's no right or wrong. I know that social media is full of noise right now. This is what you have to do to get attention, and this is what you shouldn't do. And it's, I'm sick of it. I'm going to do me. All right. And if you like it, you'll follow. If you don't, fine. I'm okay with that. That's where I'm at. And if you feel that, then follow along, come with me, because I got plenty more where that came from. But I want to be honest and say, for me, I have made hundreds and thousands of dollars in commission from affiliate partnerships, over the last 10 years or so. And I love it. How do we affiliate market effectively? It depends on what you like. It depends on what you dislike. So if you're someone who despises video and you're like, Kim, I'm not going to do it. I can't just go live and start yammering. I don't want to do TikTok videos. I don't want to do YouTube videos. Great. Maybe you are better off doing a blog, writing in a blog, building up that storytelling library. And in the blog, you're sprinkling in different affiliate products, services, etc., that when people click through, right, you are building that affiliate muscle. And hey, you know how much I love Pinterest. We can make sure that your blog is automatically connected to your Pinterest account. So every time you publish a blog, boom, it goes to Pinterest for you. And then those people on Pinterest, the platform is driving traffic to your blog article. My blog grew over 2025 the most ever than any other year. And that's because I linked it with Pinterest, right? And Pinterest drove so much traffic to my blog. It's crazy. So now my blog has been monetized. The affiliate links are being clicked. People are coming into the ecosystem. And if you love video, then hey, you can. One of my favorite things to do is to create a video, much like this one, somewhere between 8 and 11 minutes, right? You can talk about the pain and problem that the product or service solves for your audience, whether it's health and wellness, whether it's faith, whether it's, and I can recommend affiliate partnerships for just about any niche, whether it's pets, it doesn't matter. There's something out there for everyone. And so if you record an 8 to 11 minute-ish video, right? Pop that up on YouTube. Let's say you do have a blog. You can now embed that YouTube video into your blog, and then your blog is automatically pinning to Pinterest for you. So this is how many people in my circle, including myself, do create leverage and build an evergreen ecosystem that works for you 24/7, 365 in the background. I was out all day today. I went to the med spa. I went shopping. I was out. I literally just got home and I'm like, this is great. Feeling good. Didn't have to grind. Didn't have to hustle. Didn't have to do much of anything. So I'm energized enough to do a video and talk to you about how to take action now in 2026. I did want to share with you, how do you decide which brand, which company to lock arms with? And I want to talk for a moment about a membership that I personally locked arms with. My friend Valerie and her husband Sunny, they created the Profitpreneur community. And inside of this community, it's straight teaching, guidance, mentorship for affiliate marketers like you and I. But it really starts before the beginning for most people. What I mean by that is through their training and mentorship, they're walking you through questions like, what are your core values? And better yet, have you ever thought about that? What are the things that excite you? What are the things that distract you, right? What are you willing to do? And again, just not willing to do. And once you find the answers to those questions, you know what alignment looks like for you. And based on your responses, now you're able to go out and find those strategic partnerships that are going to ignite your passion and your excitement so that you can build strategically, not by constantly being on, constantly being plugged in, and eventually just either burning out or growing hatred for what you do. If you've ever been trapped, if you've ever been stuck in something because it's like, I need the money and I can't stop doing it, that's not fun, right? That's not fun. And I believe that affiliate marketing solves that problem because you're doing things, you're talking about things that excite you and that you're willing to share with your audience. So very recently, Sunny and Valerie have rolled out their affiliate marketing education track. And I'm telling you, these two are complete servant leaders. Whether you are more advanced in affiliate marketing like I am, or you haven't even begun. You're like, Kim, I wouldn't even know where to start. This program, it's not magic. It's not a push this button and wake up rich kind of thing. It is a real system that requires real action. So you can step in for a 14-day trial for just $7. If you want to kind of peek under the hood and say, yeah, I want to learn more, not just about affiliate marketing, but how to do it correctly, how to do it in a way that fuels my soul and excites me, right? Building leverage, building those evergreen assets that work for you around the clock, then I want you to drop the number 14. And I'm going to share that link to a 14-day trial for just $7. After those 14 days, if you decide to stay in the community, keep learning, keep growing, keep, lock arms and thrive with us, it's $97 a month, which is a great investment in you and your future. Or you can skip the trial and just lock in with us at $47 a month for life. So that's a 51% savings forever. And again, I'm here as an affiliate of the Profitpreneur community. So if this is something that you are seeing insane value with, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm also wanting to share this with my community, well, hey, you see how it works. You can become an affiliate for the program as well, while we're helping you find those strategic partnerships, those strategic products. So I want to recap real quick. I gave you a website. It's called impact.com. Go create a free profile, dive in and check out the thousands and thousands of brands, corporations, companies that you already love, know, and trust, but you had no idea that they offered affiliate partnerships. Get excited because 2026 is the year that we start taking action, help you pay off that debt, help you close the gap, develop the time freedom that someone along the line promised you, but you still feel like my nervous system is shot because I don't have the time, I don't have the freedom, and I still need more money. Let's fix that in 2026, okay? So again, if you want to peek under the hood at the Profitpreneur community, where just check it out. I'm going to drop the link for you. There's no pressure. You can try that for 14 days for $7, or you can skip that and come right in for $47 a month. Their membership, you can cancel anytime if you feel like it's not as aligned as you expected. But I'm one of the leaders in the community. I'm proud to build it and help you step into not just becoming an effective, efficient, excited affiliate marketer, but help you become a profitpreneur. All right, my friend, thank you so much for sticking with me. Cheers to 2026, and let's create that freedom that you were once promised. See you around.